Hi, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review on the Undercover Ultraflex on the Honda Ridgeline. Now this is the new Honda, and let's take a good look here. Now before I get into the operation of the cover, I want you to take a good look on how the cover looks. Now this is a flush mount cover. That means it sits in the bed. It's just a little cleaner looking. It is also a matte finish versus a shiny black, which matte finishes seem to be a lot more popular because they kind of match everything. And it does look really good with the color of this vehicle. So between the color on this and the flush mount, this is a great looking cover. So now let's go into the features of this cover. Now the first thing people ask, will this cover work with my Honda? And they go, what do you mean? Well, as you know, you have, this opens up like this, right? But it also opens up like this. And the question is, yes, it works just fine with your multi-function tailgate. No problem whatsoever. So let's go back over here. As you can see, it works very nice. Now, what's nice about this cover, you have it left and right. So if you're on the driver's side or passenger side, you can open this up, no problems. It also comes with an LED light. And this LED light does have a timer on it, so it will turn off automatically. So now if you want to drive with this partially open, it folds all the way over here. You take this and you lock that in there, not a problem, holds it very nice. While I have this open, I want to show you another feature. The Hondas have extra storage here, so let's take a look. What do I mean by that? Well, as you can see, it opens up just fine. It works with the cover. You do not have to worry about the cover interfering with that. So the cover does not interfere with the tailgate or the extra storage inside. These are questions I get all the time. Now, another nice feature is the Honda cover is usually a two-fold cover. So it folds once, folds twice, stops right there. You kind of lose access of the bed. This is a three-fold cover, so that means it's going to fold one more time. Why is that better? Well, the simple access, you can get things out of your bed. If you want to put a small motorcycle back there, you want to put an all-terrain vehicle, you're moving furniture, you need that space. This gives it to you. And it also works as a headache rack. Now, what the heck is a headache rack? A lot of people are not familiar with that. A headache rack protects that very expensive rear window. So if you had something big back here and you're driving and someone cuts you off and all that stuff comes sliding forward and hitting your window and breaking it and glass going everywhere, this protects the window. A lot cheaper to fix this than fix your window. So that's a nice feature this has. Now if you look here, this also has a bed rug on the bottom. Bed rug is just a terrific product. You can get in the bed if you want it. What's nice about the bed rug, it gives a little bit more insulation, so it keeps things a little cooler inside, and it gives it a premium look. It just looks a little nicer, just a little richer. I like it a lot. Now to use this right here, as you can see, very easy to use. I don't know if you see over here, there's a little clip, goes right in there. It comes out and locks, and I hear the little locking mechanism. And let's go ahead now. When these are not in use, they make the nice little handle here for you. So let's go ahead. Again, when you close this, now this has extremely tight fit. So what does that mean to you? Well, when you go to close this, you have to close it in the middle. If you don't close in the middle, sometimes the left or the right won't close, and you have to make sure you always close it right there in the middle. Like if I go like this, as you can see that side did not close. So you want to make sure it closes right there in the middle. And you can see it works very nice here. All in all, it's a sharp look. If you like this and you say, I want it, we can ship it anywhere in the country for you. We can walk you through the installation because there is a few extra steps on this. The industry Undercover likes to say, well, it's not that hard to put on. It's not easy, okay? Let me be honest, when you get it, I'm not gonna say, oh yeah, it's super easy. No, it's a few extra steps. It's gonna take a little longer to do. So keep that in mind. We'll be glad to walk you through it. The directions that come with it are actually pretty good, so you probably won't need to ask me anything, but it's good to know before you purchase it, it's a few extra steps, and it's a little tougher because it's such a tight fit. It's just a little bit more work, so keep that in mind. Again, if you like what you're seeing, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date with all this latest product. And again, if you want this, you can call the store. You can ask for John, who's behind the camera. You can ask for myself, Chris, or even Dave, or any of us can help you out with any questions. You can come to the store. We do have a brick and mortar store. We'll install it here. And if you do have it installed from us, you get a 1-year labor guarantee, and there's a promotion going on that's doubling the factory warranty because this has a 5-year factory warranty. If you have it installed by us, you get 5 additional years. That's right, it goes to 10 years. Now, this is not a permanent thing. So you might come in here a month from now and say, hey, I saw the video, I want the 10-year warranty. No, you waited too long. So keep that in mind. So again, you can have it shipped to you. You can come to the store. You can go on the website, which, by the way, the website is in the bottom of this video. It'll take you right there. You just type your vehicle information and it'll show you that. If you feel more comfortable calling us, we do like that, by the way. We'll make sure we get the right cover for you. So pick up the phone, call us, or just come in the store, whatever's easier for you. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida, doing a review of the Ultra Flex on a Honda Ridgeline. Thanks.